This video will introduce you to the next project, the Statement of Adjustments. A Statement of Adjustments is a document that you will become very familiar with once you start your real estate courses. For now, all I need you to do is just reproduce the Statement of Adjustments that you will find in the project. So I'm just going to walk you through the information that you are going to see in Blackboard. So here's just a little intro here. Here is the project itself, the project instructions. So it gives you the information about what you need to do. You are going to simply reproduce the statement of adjustments for Mr. and Mrs. Pigott that is provided for you. You don't have to change any information at all. This exercise is for you to get familiar with the layout of a statement of adjustments, as well as creating one in Excel and using Excel's math features to streamline the process. Here is your marking guide, so make sure that you are familiar with this and everything that you are being asked to do in the Statement of Adjustments. Okay, when we look at the resources, I actually made a total of 4 videos for you for the creation of the Statement of Adjustments, simply because I wanted you to have the entire experience as if we were doing it face-to-face in class, and I didn't want to present you with a big long video of 20 plus minutes. So I broke it down into 4 different sections. So the first 3 videos are about 7 minutes long. The last video is about 3 minutes long. So it just walked you through creation of the Statement of Adjustments for Mr. and Mrs. Pigott. So I just called them Statement of Adjustments number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the next document is, I call it the blank Statement of Adjustments with notes. So this basically gives you the layout of a Statement of Adjustments and the different tools that are used when you're creating it in Excel. This will make perfect sense to you if you have this beside you when you are creating it in Excel or when you are actually watching the videos. The second page on this is some information. I just call it notes for completion, so you want to read through this as well. The last document is the actual Statement of Adjustments that you are going to reproduce. So the sellers are Mr. and Mrs. Pigott and the buyers are Mr. and Mrs. Ostapovich, and there's all the information that you need. So you're just going to, as I have said many times now, you're just going to reproduce this. You don't have to change any information. The key again is that you are using Excel to create it, and you are using Excel formulas to calculate the tax adjustment and the cash to close and the total. And again, when you watch the videos, they're going to show you how to build those formulas. They're fairly simple formulas. So that is basically it. Do let me know if you have any questions. Because you're not in a real estate class, usually the students are taking this at the same time that they're taking a real estate class, so it makes a little bit more sense for them. So you are at a bit of a disadvantage because of that. So do make sure that if you've got any questions at all, just let me know. Enjoy the process.